Cody Reeves here with Devitt Machinery. Today I'm going to show you how to mix up Moglice Putty Hard. We're going to dive right in and we're going to take our Part A container, and with Putty Hard we're going to empty out all the resin from Part A's container. I'm going to kind of chop this up a little bit, make sure that there's no separation, and kind of fold it in a little bit to kind of pre-mix it. Putty Hard's a little bit more that you have to work with it. It's definitely a product that you have to use some spatulas to fold in the mixture. Kind of lay this out. Get it nice and consistent, nicely folded in. And then we're going to take our Part B, which is our hardener, and we're going to pour it directly on top of the resin. Kind of drizzle it all in there. And with all of our products, we're going to make sure that we take all the hardener out of the container. Moglice is a specific weight ratio by gram, so it's important that we get everything out for a good, clean mixture. Now that we got all the hardener out, I'm going to start mixing it up. And how we're just going to mix, we're just going to fold it. And you're going to want to mix this until you get a really good consistency, which takes roughly around 5 minutes to mix. The goal, what you're looking at here, is to achieve consistency. You want to get all the hardener into the mix. You don't want to have any uncured spots or soft spots. I mix the material back, going like north, south, east, west. You want to mix it and folding it and kind of doing this repetitively until you get a good, smooth consistency. Your main mixing spatula, you want to make sure that you get all the hardener off of the spatula. Make sure that you get it back into the mix and continue to mix thoroughly. All right, so now that we got the product fully mixed up, you can see the heavy consistency that Moglice Putty Hard gives. Nice and slumpy, pasty. Putty Hard is a really good product to use on vertical surfaces, overhead surfaces. If you have to mold a gib into a machine and you're going to be on a vertical surface, it's nice that you can putty and trial it right on the gib itself or the substrate and apply it right to the way. And Moglice, all of our Moglice products mold in a nice and clean room environment, can mold to the micron. It's a great moldable, castable material for vertical, guideway, plane slide surfaces. Anything that you want to really truly encapsulate, filling the void, and you are not really quite sure how you want to mold it, Moglice Putty Hard really gives you that consistency and that workability and that comfortability of making sure that you got the void completely filled. You're going to want to make sure when using Moglice Putty Hard that it's going to take roughly around 6 to 10 pounds per square inch to make sure that you get it fully compressed. Make sure that you check all of your shims or your jacks to make sure that the part is down completely, because this is more of a slumpier product. If you got any further technical questions, you want to place an order, just visit us at devittmachinery.com or give us a shout.